My child, seeker of greatness, this is the immense power that lies in having powerful friends. It's not just about the glitz and glamour, the titles and wealth, but about tapping into a wellspring of attributes that can propel you towards a life of significance and impact. Consider this. The power of having powerful friends is not merely about the external trappings of success. It's about surrounding yourself with individuals who possess the power of knowledge, the power of learning, the power of empathy, the power of love, the power of a robust body, the power of financial acumen, and yes, the power of having powerful friends. Now, let me paint a vivid picture for you. Imagine being in the midst of a collective force, a group where the currency is not just wealth or influence, but wisdom, compassion, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. This isn't about chance encounters or networking events. It's about deliberately curating a circle that elevates you to new heights. Here's where I need you to lean in. Comment down below and share your thoughts on the kind of powerful friends you aspire to have or the attributes you believe are essential for a truly powerful friendship. Let this discussion be the catalyst for building connections that go beyond the superficial. Connections that are rooted in a shared commitment to growth and empowerment. Now let's delve into the essence of becoming a magnet for powerful friendships. It starts with understanding that power comes in myriad forms. So what if your wallet isn't overflowing? You possess the power of intellect, the power of a hungry mind, and the power of a body ready to put in the work. When powerful individuals see your determination, your hunger for growth, they don't see your current state. They see your potential. Adapting the attributes of powerful people isn't about imitation, it's about inspiration. It's about cultivating a mindset of continuous learning, demonstrating empathy, embracing love, and committing to personal and professional development. It's about becoming a person of value, someone whose presence enriches the lives of those around them. As you navigate the journey of building powerful connections, remember that the most potent currency isn't always money. It's the currency of character, of resilience, of integrity. Be the person who, when seated at the table of powerful friends, brings not just your aspirations, but your authentic self. So my fellow seekers, let's embark on this journey together. Comment down below and share your insights, your aspirations, and your commitment to building powerful connections that transcend the ordinary. For in the collective power of powerful friendships, we find not just success, but a life of profound significance. The journey awaits, and your powerful friends await. Will you join the circle? Comment down below and let your voice be a beacon in the symphony of powerful connections we are building together. Click here now to watch more and unlock the boundless wisdom of the champions. Wake up!